50% down and 6 points.
Lion's not sheep. I like it. Hard money lions.
1,100 videos. You come here to network.
You have to network. You have to go out and make new contacts and let people know what you offer and what problems that you solve.
That's the only way to grow in our industry. You have to build trust, you have to build relationships.
So it's very important to meet as many people as you can.
The rumor that the hard money lines are out there. Welcome to the show.
I'm Victoria.
Hey! Oh my God! See, now you hit subscribe, become a lion. You didn't subscribe this morning. Of course.
If this is just raw land, they need 50% down. And if it has a construction aspect, this would be a hell of a lot easier.
Getting this, your life will change forever.
Okay, I'm what I expected.
That's how you get new subscribers.
Nobody's gonna do raw land 40-45% down. 50% down is minimum, especially if it doesn't have any entitlements. 50% down and 6 points.
Generally with raw land, as he mentioned in the video, we do 50% down, 50% financing. There's times where we can do more if the land is already ready for construction, if there's permits in place if it's a construction loan. But when it just comes to raw land, we look for metropolitan areas, city areas. We don't really like to do rural. Agricultural is kind of out of the question, but we like coastal areas, Santa Barbara, Florida, and California too.
Because 100,000, almost no hard money lender is gonna want to touch it, and it's raw land. You're asking me to run a mile. Between us and you, I don't think it's gonna be a 50-50 split.
It was an acquisition of just a piece of raw land, and they were looking to try and get financing for it in less than 6 days. The borrower, as far as I understood, was not willing to put the minimum down payment with no plans with a construction budget, no nothing in place. It was kind of a difficult deal to come into.
I've never heard of you. I don't use conventional. I do hard money, but I have to put an offer that this is I've heard of your name. YouTube, 1,100 videos.
Yanni is a hustler trying to get everyone to subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Meeting with you today at the Mortgage Expo, Yanni. I got a lot of value at your presentation and certainly walked away feeling enthusiastic and empowered. I'll be reaching out to your team in the next coming days. Andy, thank you so much, and I'm waiting for a deal.
He actually did reach out to me, yeah, with a deal.
Very nice to meet you. Good job up there. I'm a real investor. You give me a property today, within 2 minutes I'll tell you if I'll fund it or not. I'm going to go to all those people, they have a lot of deals.
The way we underwrite our deals and the way Yanni likes to do it.
When it comes to hard money, there's no set guidelines because private lenders and Yanni pretty much do things by feel. Some people are asking, do you have an online plugin where we can put in the numbers? In the video I told them, I said, look, no, because we don't have a specific set of guidelines. We have generalities like hard money is 65% loan to value, so they need to put a good chunk down. You need to let these people know, and when you let them know in person, when you network, they get a feel for who you are, they get a feel for how you act, your confidence level. If they're comfortable with you and you have good rapport with them, then they're comfortable sending you deals and seeing how you work.
No, but you can see how you can take.
Purchase price is 7.8, so it looks like they're asking for 2.5 equity.
They need a total of 5.2. They need 2.5 to complete the purchase. And if we decide we want to do the construction, then we can lend on the construction as well.
8 million liquid, that's very good.
We can call them right now and verify. I was approached by a realtor to help them raise purchase and construction money for a deal in Brentwood. The borrowers were looking for 2.5 million to complete the purchase and 3.5 million for the construction. They had about a week until end of escrow. Knowing that we can actually make it happen, they came to me.
I like it. Hard money lions. Lions, not sheep.
You come here to network. I'm walking around this myself to everyone because that's what I do. I network with people. That's how I make money.
Networking is really important in our business.
Everyone on the team that you see in these videos is commission only. You have to network. You have to go out and make new contacts and let people know what you offer and what problems that you solve.
That's the only way to grow in our industry. You have to build trust, you have to build relationships.
So it's very important to meet as many people as you can, give them the right information, show them the deals you actually can execute in your closing, to give them that confidence and trust that you are their person when it comes to closing deals and making things happen.
A reputation that supports you is what's going to get you somewhere, and the only way to really do that is networking, meeting people constantly, whether it's over the phone or in person.
You got to get your face out there. You got to get people to know your face. It develops rapport with people. And
people like to do business with people they like, trust, and respect. So if you're not a likable person, you don't know how to make friends, I highly suggest that you read the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Here it is.
You know, your net worth is your net.
Your network is your net worth.
Just because I met those people, one of the brokers there that I met, they sent me 2 deals. Then he referred me to one of his partners in his brokerage that sent me another deal. Without this conference, I wouldn't have met them. I wouldn't have got those potential deals.
So it's a really good way to break the ice with people that you've never met before. And even if you've met them before, but only over the phone, it's good to put a face to the name, a face to the voice. And that's what people really like.
Licensing, broker, lender. Hello, licensing.
You have sales?
We do. Yes.
I mean,
They're not fun. And NMLS is not anyone's friend either, so we do all that for you.
a lot of people here I talk to, they all do the same thing.
Right.
I tell them I'll contact them.
Yeah.
I will contact them.
Yes.
This we really need, because there's like 5 states we can't do business in, so it'd really help if we had those 5 states.
We can do this together.
Here's the thing, there was a lot of non-QM lenders there, basically hedge funds. Non-QM, everybody has the same program. There's slight little nuances on maybe LTVs or credit requirements.
They all sell their loans to the same people, same guidelines. And I asked them, like, what makes you different than your competition? And they don't have an answer for me.
What I was looking for was something that was a rarity, like ITIN loans. I was looking for people who were doing ITIN loans. I was asking them what their max LTV is, what their trade line requirements. So it's good to see what they offer as opposed to what we offer.
Good. I already scanned your card.
That's how we get subscribers and making sure that people are contacting you over and over and over again. We have a huge fan, not just like a fan, we have a huge fan. Someone. Thank you for sharing. Huge fan of the show. Keep it real.
Wow.
Boy.
I need an autograph? I can sign it English.
I'm gonna tell them, Omer is coming and committed to sign it. Who? The Prince of Hard Money.
Hey, if someone wants my autographs, I will sign it for them.
I'm signing for free.
I wouldn't charge anything for autographs.
I'll be free.
No, I'll charge for files. They can give me files and then they can have a nice autograph framed on their wall.
I'm expensive.